Hi, good morning once again. This is Alex Sayanachi. Um, I have today delivered the new 4-in-1 PC or all-in-one PC monitor. You can see it comes with keyboard. It has a lighted like a gaming wired mouse and I don't think it is lighted. Let me check here. Uh, it's not lighted. It's fine. Uh, and then so you can see the screen is so clear. It's so vivid, clear. And I'm using my own A4 Tech uh, wireless wired cam. But it also comes with their own camera. I haven't tested it yet, but for sure A4 Tech is far more better. But anyway, that could be my reserve cam. Anyway, it's free. So I also have my own edifier for my speaker, so I don't need to test the sound here. The as far as the specs are concerned, it's all correct. As you could see, if I would be, this is the quality of the camera. Let me check here. This is the speed that I have. If you could see, as far as the wireless is concerned, uh, for wireless they only have one band, but nevertheless I have my own wireless dongle, and I plug in there my wireless dongle so I can connect to the 5G. Since my wireless dongle is a two band, the one that comes built in is only one band, so most likely that could be just 2.4. And as I plug in my own, it is a dual band, the TP Link or the D Link. It is far faster. Okay. Um, as far as the PC is concerned, the PC is it has a SSD 512. Okay. Of course, not everything. The one that we have here is the Drive C for 76 GB, and that's a solid state device SSD. Or if you would go for about my PC, let us type. You can see the specs here are all good, and you can see it's an Intel R Core TM i7 4700M2 CPU with a minimum of 2.4 gigahertz and 16 gigabyte of RAM and 64-bit operating system. And it comes with Windows 10 Pro installed at this time when it was manufactured on June 2020 when this was manufactured. And as far as the storage is concerned, you can see the storage allocations. Okay, and I still have a lot of spaces here, and that's SSD. So that's what you see is what you get as far as the description that was given. I bought this in Shopee for a price of 18,996. The actual price is 20. So I got a voucher of about 1,000 pesos. Okay, the delivery charge is not that much. There you go. It's been delivered. So so this is the sample graphics. so it's really clear, right? It's a 1080 display. So that's my speaker, my very own speaker. And I also plug in my Evolve Jabra, so it's working. The webcam is also working. Let's test. Let me let you see the my A4 Tech camera that I plug in. So devices are compatible. I think it's not properly set up here. It's not. This is the A4 Tech. Okay, ang pangit ko. Uh, so it's really clear, right? So this is my A4 Tech camera, and so it really comes clear. So so much of that. So I guess this is a good buy for almost 19,000. Uh, it's an i7 um, with 16 gigabyte of RAM and 512 SSD. So this is a good buy, and it runs fast. Even the ang setback niya lang yung wireless niya, if you want it faster kasi one band lang siya, better to use the 5G, especially if you're just near. Ang advantage ng 5G is if you're using nearby the router, that is faster, but the 2.4 gigahertz band would be better if you are farther from the router. But of course, 5G is much faster as long as it has a good range with the router. And that's why I always have a dongle, so there's no excuse for me to have better connectivity. But as far as this PC is concerned, it is a good buy because you cannot buy an i7 brand new 16 gigabyte of RAM and 512 SSD at this price for branded computer. Anyway, the brand of this is Icon. So an Icon is a USA based uh, brand. Yeah, new player in the market. So as you can see, the 1080 display is working fine, and as you can see, the audio is working good. So as you can see, it's really working fine. Okay, I'm not a gamer, but this can be probably played with not so much sophisticated game. But anyway, this is an i7. Okay, thank you guys. So if you have any question, feel free to set your comments, and if I can answer it, why not? I'll get back to you the soonest possible time. And please try to subscribe and click like and share this. That might be helpful for those who are trying to purchase one. So again, this is the keyboard. That's free. It's a plastic keyboard, but it's working fine. The the keys are working well, and then the mouse is just like a gaming one. And later on, you can see the different parts as I set the pictures at the back. You can see the different ports. It's quite simple and direct. The adapter, by the way, this is the adapter. It is a green light indicator if it is plugged in, and it comes with a UPS. So if in case there's a power interruption, it will not, you will not lose connection. You still have time to save your works. So it's an adapter and a UPS at the same time. And for the plug, I just use the It's just a China plug, but my extension is a high level extension cord, and it comes with a EC adapter. Okay, so basically I don't have any problem. So after few weeks, I will be making another review for this, or even a month thereafter, just to make sure that we will have a good assessment of this all-in-one PC. So have a great day ahead. Do take care. God bless.